Steven's running my laptop now. He's watching Battlefield Bad Company 2. Got a little Minnie Mouse going on. That's cool, huh, buddy? I got tanks in that one. Steven likes tanks. He's all excited now. He's watching Bad Company 2. That's cool.